Hello everybody. I got here is a keyboard NXT technology keyboard mouse combo, wireless, 2.4 gigahertz wireless connectivity. It says three months of 36-month battery life. Really, 18 months battery life. So 3 years and 18 months, a year and a half for battery for mouse battery. I don't know about that one. It says 3 years to use. That's really pretty good. Good consumption. So here's the keyboard. I got it at Staples for $9, free delivery. I bought two of them. So and here's the other one. It just came in today. The shipping was really fast. Here's the other one. Here's the receipt. See, $41.96 was $41.96, and with a coupon credit of $23.96, the total is $19.85. I don't think the camera is picking it up. Oh well. Anyway, here's the keyboard. There's one of them. There's the second one inside the keyboard. Here's the keyboard. A instruction card, a mouse, batteries, 3 batteries, Energizer batteries, Energizer Max. So it's a good kind. So they did cheapen on the battery. Start with the mouse. Oh, and almost forgot the unifying receiver, 2.4 gigahertz. So that one. Don't lose this one. So back to the mouse. Mouse uses one AA battery. On and off power switch. Keyboard. Very nice feel to it. Very quiet. Very nice edges. Very slick. Not bad. Not a bad price. Very nice feel. And this one uses 2 AA batteries. So I'm going to test it. It doesn't look like it's wrapped with plastic, but it does. It is wrapped with plastic. So you have to take the plastic out. Alright, so I removed the plastic cover. Positive is this way, positive right here. Cover. Snap. Now for the mouse. Here's the mouse, and positive is this way, positive, and it's on. Put it up, on. Let's see if the keyboard, I don't think the keyboard has on and off. No, it doesn't. Looks nice though. Yes, a little stand. I'm gonna try it, see if it works. Alright, so the keyboard pop up. So now I can't use the mouse just because it's not power on, so let me turn it on. Now it's working. Now click continue. Shift Z, and it's not doing it. Your key cannot be identified. Go back. What happened there? Continue. Shift to the left. Oh, duh! I pushed the wrong button. I wasn't paying attention. So, and here, there you go. It's the answer keyboard done, and the mouse is working too. Right. This is right click. So it's working. Let's see. I am cool. See, I'm typing, and you can't really hear it. No, you can hear it. Let me go text edit, texting file, application. Do it. And just typing nonsense. So it works. Yeah, there's a function to open folder, magnify glass, email. What's this button? So it works with Mac and Windows. This is a Mac. So it has a nice feel, like I said, and only $9. One more thing I need to add, on the back of the mouse, there's a hole there for you to put your receiver. So you just push it in there, and you can hide it if you want to put in storage. Right, so that's how you're gonna hide your, that way you don't lose it. Just hide it there. Trying this second mouse and keyboard. The keyboard works, but the mouse doesn't. See, the light goes on. I turn it on. The light goes on, off, on. The light goes on and disappear, and nothing's happening. See, it just stuck. So 1 out of 2. This one doesn't work. Mouse doesn't work. Let me take the battery out. Put another battery. See, positive up, positive up. Lights on. Light. Nothing working. Doesn't work. Right, so this is a quick unboxing and a short review of this NXT wireless combo mouse and keyboard. Not bad for $9. Right, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye, have a nice day. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and please like, so it gives me more view. Right, thank you, bye bye.